Hi, my name is Luke, and this is what would cause the internet to close up. If you're experiencing internet connectivity issues, you might find that a variety of factors can cause this. If you're connecting over an Ethernet or a cabled network to the internet, check the cable. Make sure it's plugged into your computer. Make sure that you see a green or orange light flashing as well. Go over to the Network Connections panel in the bottom right corner, right-click, and hit Open Network and Sharing Center. Here you can see, based on the diagram, whether or not you have a connection to the internet. Then click Change Adapter Settings. Go to the adapter that you're connected through, whether it be wireless or hardwired. Right-click and hit Status. This will show you if you are sending and receiving data. This can help you to determine whether or not the internet has closed up for you. And that's it.